Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Lagrange Airdrop only guys. So they have literally raised $13.2 million in the seed round, and currently their Galax tasks are live. Okay, so we'll be able to complete their Galax quest and then we'll be able to get the points. Okay, so don't take lightly these kind of Galax points guys, because recently this io.net airdrop has been announced. Okay, I've made a video about io.net long back. Okay, so if you go inside my channel and if you type ionetAirdrop now, you'll be able to get to see nearly 2 months ago I made a video for this io.net. Nearly 6k people have seen this. Okay, so and even I made a post about it inside my Telegram channel. You can you can check your airdrop eligibility, and I can see many of our community members have got selected for this one. So we'll see how you can check it. It's very simple only. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to check your balance, and mainly we're going to focus on this long range airdrop. And about NyanAirdrop guys, so currently the portal is live, and around 1:30 itself we should be able to claim and sell in the market, because currently it is live in the market. Here you can see it's trading. So the all-time high it kept around 0.9 cent. Okay, so currently it's trading around 0.28 26 price range, and but still we are not able to claim the airdrop. Okay, so I guess nobody was able to claim the airdrop, because I went inside their Discord account. I was seeing all the posts, and they said Streamflow, the service we are using for token distribution, is having API issue. We have been working closely with the team to resolve this issue for past hours, but unfortunately they told us there may be delay. Okay, so there must be some delay for receiving the airdrop, but I don't know, by the time you are watching this video they might even enable the claim for the airdrop. Okay, so I don't know when I'll be uploading this video, but if it's live, just go inside Nyan claim page and just connect your Twitter account, then you'll be able to claim your airdrop. Okay, so you'll be able to get this link inside my Telegram channel itself. So go inside my Telegram channel, you'll be able to find the link. Okay, so must watch this video until the very end guys, so that you won't miss out this one. And before we start our video, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and check out all other videos. And all I'm asking you is just give me one like and continue watching this video, because many of you are watching my videos without liking it. And this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, follow me here also. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, in order to check your eligibility, all you need to do is, I'll be leaving this link in the description. Just go inside my Telegram channel, you'll be able to get this link. Okay, so if you click on the link, it will take you here, and click on check eligibility, and here just copy and paste your Solana address and then click on verify. So once you click on verify ID, then you'll be able to get to see the eligibility. Okay, so like this it will show success, your wallet ID is valid and part of the ignition rewards program, like that it will say. So once they announce the reward and all, I'll be announcing it inside my Telegram channel, so follow me for that one. And now let's move on to this one. Okay, Lagrange. Okay, so now how to participate here is very simple. So currently their Galax quest is live, we'll be able to complete it. For that you need to have this Galax web3 score. Okay, above 2 level. Okay, so in case if you have been following me for a very long period of time, probably you will be having higher than this only. So guys, here you can see it's going to end on March 24th. Okay, so we have very less period of time only, so try to do the task and claim the points. Okay, so whatever the points you are getting here, so it's very simple guys. So you'll be able to get these links inside my Telegram channel. So once you click on the link, it will take you here. So just first thing, Galax web3 score, just mint, and you'll be having the score. And the next thing is you need to do the compressor layer 2 query. Okay, so just click on this one, then this page will open. So once it got open, we have to follow the steps. Okay, very simple. So all you need to do is just click on this sample query client contract BSC scan. So once you click on that, it will take you here. So after you come here, we just need to click on this query, and here we need to copy paste whatever things are shown there. Okay, so for example, firstly we need to firstly we need to expand the query. So we did it, and the next thing we need to copy and paste all these things. Okay, in the section, so query, copy it and paste it here. And the next thing is storage address, and just copy the storage contract address, and then come back here and paste it. And then you need to holder address. Okay, so just copy and paste the holder address, and and again once and end block. Okay, so copy and paste it here. So copy and paste it here, and finally offset is 5. And once you given all the details, mainly connect your wallet, web3 wallet. Okay, so just click on MetaMask and select your MetaMask account. So connect the same wallet which you connected with the Galax. Okay, so guys, after your wallet got connected, just change the network into base network and click on right. So once you click on the right, then MetaMask will pop up. Just you need to spend the gas fee of some cent. Okay, so just click on confirm. $0.55 you should be having in your wallet. So once you click on the confirm, you'll be able to check your transaction. It will be done. Okay, so here you can see it got done. So once it got done successfully, come back here and click on verify, and then it will get verified. Okay, and the next thing, you need to follow the user. Okay, so just go and click on follow and come back here and even check this one, even it will be done. And finally we need to follow them on their Twitter account. Just go inside their Twitter account, follow them and come back here, and even this will be done. Okay, so finally you completed all the tasks. Again do the recheck, then everything will be done. Okay, so now we'll be able to claim this 100 points. Just click on claim, and then you will be successfully able to claim the points. Okay, so the first quest we completed it, and the next thing is we gotta do the same thing in the Fractal network. Okay, so first thing we already followed them, and the next thing we need to complete this task. Just click on this one, even this will open up like this. So again click on this simple query client on frac scan. Okay, so if you click on this one, this scan will open. So here you can see frac scan got opened. So now what we have to do is just same process, click on connect to web3 and click on your MetaMask and then connect your MetaMask wallet. So once you do that, your MetaMask wallet will get connected here, and click on query, and the same thing only we need to do. Just come back here, and here we need to copy this. Just drag and copy and paste it here, and then we need to copy and paste the address and everything. So once you copy paste all these things, we need to do the transaction. Okay, but before you do it, you gotta need some gas fee in the network. Okay, so currently you can see I don't have any balance. So in order to get the gas, we're going to use the Merkle. Okay, so how to use it's very simple. So guys, after you connected your wallet now, so here only we're going to use this platform to do the gas. Okay, so I'm having some balance on mode chain. Okay, so I'm going to transfer from that to Fractal. Okay, so I'm going to transfer 0.00 some 05 and click on preview transaction, and then here you can see guys, just click on refuel. Hardly I'm going to spend for here $2, something like that. So once you click on that, just click on confirm, and once you click on the confirm, the transaction will be done. So once it's done, you'll be able to get to see the balance in the Fractal network. Okay, so currently you can see guys, the transaction got done, and just to go to your MetaMask address and then switch the network into Fractal and see whether you receive the balance or not. Okay, so guys, here you can see we received the balance in our account. Okay, so now come back here, click on right, and once you click on the right, MetaMask will pop up. All you have to do is just click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, even this transaction will be done. Okay, so like this only you gotta do. So once you complete the transaction, come back here, and here you can see query from L2 will be there. So wait for the confirmation from the MetaMask side. You will get the confirmation, and then click on check. So here you can see it got confirmed. So once you got the confirmation, just click on the recheck, it will be done. Okay, and now you will be able to claim this 80 points. So like this only you can claim both of these points guys. So currently these two tasks only available for the Lagrange Galax task. Okay, so complete it and claim the points. Okay, so overall 20k followers only there. So it is not having that much hype. Soon it will get it may get the hype, because here you can see they have done the seed round of $13.2 million in the funding. So let's see what's going to happen. happen within 2 to 3 days. It's going to end also campaign, so try to complete and gather the Galax points. Okay, so that's it guys in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end. And if I get any more updates regarding Lagrange, I'll be providing it inside my Telegram channel. So if you don't want to miss out those details, you must follow me inside my Telegram channel too. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.